In your box, this is what you're going to see. You got your hardware, and then each one of the recovery points is packed in here. It's wrapped really good, huge block of styrofoam. Things aren't going to bang or move around at all. You can go online and follow the link down below where you ordered your recovery points, and you can get the instructions on how to install. So here's the tools I believe I'm going to need: torque wrench, ratchets, regular wrenches, and most essential, a shop dog. Up just like the driver's side, it is actually this lower sticker that you need to remove, not the upper two. And you're going to do the exact same bolts again. There, and this one way up here. Alright, these are the two bolts. The one on the right is the stock bolt. The one on the left is the bolt that comes with the Apex. The threads look almost identical, but if you look real close, the stock bolt is somewhat tapered at the head. That makes all the difference in the world. These are the bolts that come out of and go into where the sway bar connects. I have tried for almost 40 minutes to get this one to go in the hole the stock bolt came out of without luck. So for right now, I'm replacing the stock bolts, or placing the stock bolts back in there until I can get a hold of the company and find out why these are not working. Like I said, the threads look almost identical, but for whatever reason, these are not going in. Now, the smaller nut that goes towards the front and the large 19mm nut went in no problem. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. Here's the final installation on the passenger side. That's the 19mm nut. That's the smallest one up there. These two were, I used the ones that came with the kit. Again, on this side though, the two nuts that go on either side of the front sway bar, I could not get those in. I tried for about 40-45 minutes, they would not go in. The other thing I found was when I got this side over here, you have to slide this red piece between the frame and that rubber right there. I could not get that to slide on its own, so I did squirt a little WD-40 up in there and kind of work it back and forth, and that allowed it to slide right into place so that you could mount everything. And this is the view from the front, and I'll just show you how those line up. They pretty much line up and hang down as far as the Toyota tie-downs do. So it's not, you're not losing anything on front approach angle. So these were installed on my 2020 TRD Off Road. It did take me about an hour each side. Again, a lot of that time was lost to those bolts that just do not fit the holes for the sway bars.